In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Motorola G Stylus 5G so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Moto G Stylus 5G so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and go to the dialer, and you're going to type in *#06 and then pound. That's going to show us our IMEI information. Now you're going to need to write down this number right here. We will need to use this number in the next step of the video. Next, we're going to swipe up to go home, and now we're going to go to our web browser, and we're going to go to the website theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. The first thing is the manufacturer, which is Motorola. Next, the model, we're going to go to Moto, so go to the M section, Moto G, and find Moto G Stylus 5G. Tap unlock now. And the next step is going to ask you to select what country you purchased the phone in. So for country purchase, we're going to select United States, and the carrier is going to be AT&T. Tap next. And then on this screen, we're going to need to enter that IMEI. So put the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video here, your full name, the email address you want your final instructions sent to, and also a contact number as well. And if we swipe up further, you'll see this is what it will cost to unlock the phone. And this is the turnaround time for them to get you the final instructions. So next you're going to tap order now, check out with your credit card, pay, and then wait for them to send you the final instructions. Now, a few other things I want to point out, and the reason why I recommend this website is, one, there is a toll-free number you can call to get support in the event you have questions. There also is a number you can text 24 hours a day for support. So you have different ways to contact the company. They do also offer a money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason you have an issue and you're not able to get the phone unlocked, they will refund your money. So I always love when a site guarantees their product, and that's why I recommend this site. Now, once they send you that final email with the unlocking instructions, you will need two things. You'll need a SIM card of the service you want to use with the phone now that it's unlocked. And then you'll also need your SIM tool, which you can find in the box of your phone. If you don't have the box anymore, no problem. Find a paper clip, bend it back, and you'll just need to find the slot where the SIM card goes into, which is right here. And we're going to take out the old SIM card and put in our new SIM card. So just put it in the hole here and just give it a little push. You're gonna take out this SIM tray, and you're gonna take out the old SIM card and put in your new SIM card. And once you're done, you will need to power off the phone. So hold your power button and just tap power off, turn it off, turn it back on again, and then follow the instructions. So after you follow all the instructions, this is the last thing you would do, and the phone should be good to go with the new service you want to use it with. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.